Next, step into our magical virtual fitting room. Here, we utilize cutting-edge AI technology to create a personalized 3D virtual wardrobe tailored just for you. It showcases custom-tailored recommendations for outfits, shoes, hats, and glasses based on your unique characteristics, and even allows you to unlock and view more curated items. Want more options? You have the freedom to change the colors of recommended combinations, providing you with a richer array of choices and ensuring that all recommended styles and colors perfectly match your image test results. Our virtual models are custom built to reflect your body type and facial shape based on your test results, making it seem as though you're seeing yourself wearing our recommended outfits. After trying on your favorite pieces, you can switch to various 3D immersive environments to find the style that suits you best. What's more exciting, you can freely take photos and short videos in these scenes and share these fabulous moments on your social media. When you're ready to make a purchase, we also smartly recommend items in matching colors and styles, making your shopping experience smoother and more enjoyable. In this virtual fitting room, every try-on is an adventure in discovering and expressing yourself.